Email marketing has always been one of marketers' most effective messaging channels. According to HubSpot, every $1 spent on email marketing generates around $42 of income, which equates to a 4,200% return on investment. According to another study by HubSpot, a 10% email deliverability increase generates 15% more sales. However, a well-designed email marketing strategy will not work if your emails land in spam folders. The fact is, 21% of legitimate emails do go to spam or junk. So how can you know if your emails end up in spam? Well, you should frequently monitor email deliverability rates. That's the only way to spot when your emails end up in spam folders. And the most critical question, how can you stop your emails from landing in spam? If you haven't yet, you should start with implementing email authentication protocols, including SPF, DKIM, and DMARC. This is the most effective way to build a positive sender reputation and improve email deliverability. At EasyDMARC.com, we have plenty of articles on our blog about SPF, DKIM, and DMARC. In addition to that, you can check out our tools or contact our team for more information about these email authentication mechanisms. Along with setting up these protocols, you should always pay attention to your email layout and content. For example, you should never write the subject line in capital letters, and subjects should never be too long. 3 to 5 words are enough. Never send just an image. Try to include at least a short description. Make unsubscribing simple and straightforward. Adjust the sending frequency. A maximum 1 or 2 email campaigns per week. Stay on top of your email list hygiene by cleaning it up from time to time. And lastly, don't send emails to people that won't engage or open your messages. If your emails do end up in the spam or promotions tabs, we recommend warming up your email. This will help build a more positive sender reputation with ISPs. At EasyDMARC, we've recently launched our Easy Email Warmup tool. This tool uses various warming strategies based on domain maturity thanks to its AI algorithm. Easy Email Warmup uses real inboxes for peer-to-peer messaging, enabling you to achieve positive delivery trends in the short term. Are you interested in our Easy Email Warmup tool? Do you want us to help you stop emails from ending up in the spam or promotion tabs? Contact us today at EasyDMARC.com. Let's safeguard your marketing efforts together.